Hey Explorer, let's make our way to Guimaras Island. In this vlog, I will cover our journey from Iloilo, our stay, and us exploring a little bit of what the island has to offer. Let's go!
So we have made it to the pier and the Grab driver dropped us at City Mall, Arola, Iloilo. So this is where you can take the boat going to Guimaras. So we're just gonna figure it out. As first timers, they didn't get ice cream. Yeah, we get ice cream. Dunkin'. Maybe here. Ah, so what? Jordan and Bella Vista, there's two ports. So what's the nearer one?
Jordan.
I don't know.
Nero.
So we have to find a boat to Jordan. Jordan. Jordan ang mas dool. Alam mo yung ano?
Jordan Manggaan Festival is opening now.
Yes, you know, that's where we're going. So it's unlimited mango.
Yes, wanna eat big
Alam mo yung Nature's Eye Resort? Malapit din sa Jordan, no? Mas better from Jordan.
Pag kami doon ng Jordan, punta kayo sa tourism office para sila yung gahala mag-assist.
4.5. Wala nang bayad ko. Magkano siya?
Asa pera na lang ang bayad.
Bayad. Perfect. Ano oras?
Every 15 minutes.
Ay, sus! Every 15 minutes. Coffee muna.
Is ang ferry.
Okay. Thank you. So, guys, where you find your tickets is inside the mall, actually. But we're gonna grab coffee first. The toilet. Coffee first. You can keep it here. So the boat leaves every 15 minutes, so no rush. Cecil needs her coffee.
Wow, highlands coffee.
Thailand.
Coffee also for the ates. They're so competent.
You know? Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm sure they'd be happy with the coffee.
Yes.
We're back.
Ate,
We have coffee for you. Thank you for watching our bag.
Thank you.
Do we need this, Cecil?
No, I have already.
You have it? You went right?
No, it's okay.
Ferry 14. Bye!
It's crazy. What? Outside, she can sleep so long, and in the hotel, like 10 minutes lang.
Need help, love? $160 pesos for 4 packs. So cheap.
Car for rent.
Yung car for rent, pumunta kayo po magdadrive, wala po.
Hindi. Ano, sila mag-drive papunta. Nandun na sa labas.
Yes po ma'am.
Magkano yung rate nila?
Depende po ma'am sa destination ma'am, pero first ma'am, you just need to register at the
Okay.
tourism desk po.
Yeah. So we're just gonna register in the tourism desk and then find out what transport options are available because we want to rent a car that can just drive us around Guimaras.
Thank you.
So that you will see the tariff of the car.
Okay.
Once again, I got it. You sure? I'm just offloading more and more to you.
We're leaving Sunday, sila Tuesday.
Here in Guimaras is the first day of the Mangahan Festival.
Oh, nice.
You'll just try our mango eat all you can for just only 100 pesos.
Yes.
in the capital.
We do have a couple of nights.
Do we need to book our eat all you can
Yes,
mango?
but at the capital area.
Okay. Go.
I found they can send us to nature there for 1.5, but
Yeah.
we can get him for 4,000 in the whole day.
Whole day na?
Whole day na, we can go around.
Yeah. Kana,
We
among
need to
transport.
rest. Okay lang na punta kami ng nature's eye, mag-change. Tapos lang.
Okay, Martina.
Oh yeah.
Take a picture at the Mangahan.
Yes.
So important. Take a picture, Dai, with the mangga.
Yeah, it's so hot. Oh my God, take a picture. Ikaw, Inday. You want to join Miss Guimaras?
Miss Guimaras.
And you will see the
Wow.
map of all Guimaras. And if you want to go some resorts, just follow the code right here at the side.
Oh, nice. So I have a question. Which side is the best for sunset, or an area
This
you
area.
vacation for sunset?
This is the left side area.
But is there a nice, a nice restaurant for sunset where you could get drinks overlooking?
For the
Oh, my
side,
priorities.
ma'am,
Yeah.
here at the Gisi Lighthouse, but
Oh, lighthouse.
Yeah, we can do that. Sige.
and the best part for island hopping is here in Taklong Island.
Ooh, okay. We'll do that tomorrow.
How do you get there from, for example, from Nature's Eye? We can get a car going there.
It depends. Maybe you'd like to rent a tricycle.
Tricycle. Tricycle, Inday! Tricycle. The hotel can help us book a tricycle. Kuya?
And yung boat, saan yun pwede?
Doon sa San Roque.
Actually, magkano yung boat na private?
Mga 2,000 po mga all day na po yun.
All day? Okay na? Until 12 midnight.
For you.
Thank you. And then we need a photo by the Manggahan sign. Welcome to Guimaras! Picture by the Manggahan sign. Okay, in case you guys didn't get that, we have rented a car with a driver for 4,000 pesos for the day. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be exploring, going to check out sunsets and everything mango as we are here for the Mango Festival.
Nature's Eye.
Nature's Eye will be
yeah,
our
in,
first stop. Yeah, to drop our bags.
Tando.
Aww.
Tapos, we will just drop our bags and then
That's where all the
go through all
mangas.
the trip, yeah.
I think it's good for the stroller later.
This is what happens when you make me book the resort. I choose a very far one.
An adventure resort.
Okay, we have made it to Nature's Eye Beach Resort in the middle of nowhere. For us to walk here, maybe a 20-minute off the beaten path road. See? Off-road. Of course, I always choose these types of resorts by accident.
She says accident. Press X to doubt.
Already sliding. Wrong shoes. What a cute toilet. Welcome to our toilet here in Guimaras Island. Come. toilet. It's gonna take me a while to get used to this. People from Iloilo might see me.
You're gonna be sitting there with magnifying.
Oh, diba? I love it, but it'll take time for me to get used to this. I don't know if I'll be comfortable using the toilet here. Oh, rocky. Very nice though. And then this is their front desk reception area. Hi.
Hello.
Have a seat.
Oh, nice. It's low tide.
Wow.
It's a nice spot.
Ah, it's nice and fresh and it smells so good. The smell of nature. Ooh, thank you. Welcome iced teas. Welcome food. Beacon is so good. It's so sweet.
You give me this book?
Over my mouth. And iced tea. So since our rooms are not ready yet, we are gonna head over to check out another resort called Mangadiwa. It's actually a lot more expensive than Nature's Eye Resorts, but it's got beachfront, so we're gonna probably head there and swim there.
Ano yung ang dala nito sa likod?
Not everything.
Yeah. Are you gonna get some stuff at the back?
I think so.
Another stop, so we are gonna go swimming before we check out the mango festival, and this is Alobihod Resort, and it's kind of low tide now and it's around 3 p.m. so it's not so hot, so yeah, just a bit of a swim just to freshen up before the festival. Hi! Tagpila mo ligo? 100 pesos each. Okay. Here, it's been so hot. So I'm about to try the famous Guimaras mango pizza.
Give her.
Alright, the crust kind of reminds me of Mama's Pizza. I'm not sure if you guys know that brand. It's very famous in Cebu. Kind of has that kind of same crust. So let's see. A lot of cheese. Better than Mama's Pizza because Mama's Pizza barely has any cheese. Look at that. It just blends.
It blends.
Thank you for watching. More Guimaras adventures will be out on my channel soon, so I hope you can like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all on my next adventure. Bye guys!